Hello, my friend. I'm Jason Hopkins, and what I want to do in this video is talk to you about how you could start affiliate marketing for free, just simply using 3 easy steps that's going to help you generate more leads and more sales. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and also you want to hit that bell notification so that you don't miss out on anything. So there seems to be a black hole in the internet marketing industry where newcomers, they're being neglected by some of these top gurus that are not exactly teaching them effective marketing. So now I'm going to share what I've learned from top earners, from my mentors and my coaches, the 3 simple steps that will help you finally have a breakthrough. Now remember to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notifications so that you don't miss out on important information. So now the first step when building an affiliate marketing business is you must build your audience. People don't know who you are, so it's important that you build a relationship with your audience. People do business with people they know, like, and trust. So you want to treat your list and your prospects like human beings. These are the people that you actually want to help and serve. So you want to follow up with your audience, build that relationship with your audience, and continue to be consistent in serving your audience. Now, you might be thinking, well, Jason, how do I build an audience? What can I use, or what kind of content that's going to help build my audience? Well, it's simple. You use content like you can use YouTube, you can write Facebook posts, or even a blog post. Now, keep in mind that your content has to address your audience's challenges, their problems, their pains, their dreams, their desires and questions, which now brings me to step number 2, which is engage your audience. This requires you to talk with your audience to uncover their pain and provide them with a painkiller. Now, the best way to get them to uncover their pain is simply, connect and talk to them. Now remember, your job is to serve their needs. Find what they're struggling with and then provide them with the perfect solution. Now, if this makes sense and is starting to give you a sense of clarity, be sure to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Now, the third thing is sell your audience. Now, most people have this misconception having one stream of income will create financial freedom. If this is something someone has taught you or told you, they're not giving away all the golden nuggets. Everyone in this industry who's a top earner knows that having multiple streams of income is what creates financial freedom. You must acquire multiple streams of income that's going to help serve your audience. It's just clever marketing. It's a clever way to do business. Now, if you would like to learn more about building your affiliate marketing business and creating multiple streams of income, be sure to click that link either above or below this video. There, you'll be educated by the best in the industry, teaching you step by step how to market your business effectively. This product has helped me in more ways than I imagined, giving me a sense of clarity, and has branded me as an internet marketer. So if you're serious about building an affiliate marketing business, be sure to click that link below and remember to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips. This is Jason Hopkins, and I will see you in the next video.